Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Jira dashboard templates for sprint visibility step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Atlassian Marketplace website. In the search bar, type Jira dashboard templates. Press enter to view the search results. Browse through the available templates to find one that meets your needs for sprint visibility. Once you find a suitable template, click on its name to open the template details page. Review the description and features of the template to ensure it fits your requirements. Locate the Get It Now or Download button on the template page. Click on this button to initiate the download process. You may be prompted to log in to your Atlassian account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Once logged in, confirm the download. After downloading, navigate back to your Jira dashboard. Click on the Dashboards option from the top navigation menu. Select Create Dashboard to start building your new dashboard. Enter a name for your new dashboard in the provided field. Choose the saved filters you want to use for sprint visibility. Now, return to the downloaded template file on your computer. Open the template file to review any specific instructions. Follow the instructions within the template to import it into your dashboard. Once everything is set up, customize your dashboard widgets as needed. Save your changes to finalize your new Jira dashboard. You can now monitor your sprints effectively using your new dashboard template. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.